addition and subtraction exercises on my beautiful small pocket hand abacus, episode number 5. And in this episode I am going to use how to borrow 10 for the addition and subtraction, but I am not going to explain that technique. If you want to know about that technique, you have to watch my other episodes. Please check the link inside the description box, or please check my playlist. Okay, so I am going to do only exercises, and I am going to use this small abacus. This is my marked rod, and I am going to use from this rod. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1 is on your screen. 9 minus 1 plus 2 minus 7 plus 8. 11 is your answer. Make zero position. Question number 2 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5 minus 8 plus 9. Your answer is 11 again. Question number 3 plus 7 minus 5 plus 8 minus 6 plus 7. And your answer is 11 again. Question number 4 plus 6 plus 9 minus 8 plus 9 minus 5. 11 is your answer again. Question number 5 plus 5 plus 5 again minus 1 plus 8 plus 9. 26 is your answer. Question number 6 plus 4 plus 6 minus 8 plus 9 minus 7. Your answer is 4. Question number 7 plus 3 plus 7 minus 2 minus 8 plus 10. And your answer is 10. Question number 8 plus 2 plus 9 minus 5 plus 4 minus 8. And your answer is 2. Question number 9 plus 1 plus 9 minus 8 plus 7 minus 6. Your answer is 3. Question number 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus again 8 plus 5 plus 10. And your answer is 40. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Please do these exercises one more time by yourself, and if you have any difficulties, please contact me through the messenger. Okay, and do not comment on my English language, and see you in next episode. Ta-da!